Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your gel nail polish using our Gelous E-File. Let's get into it. If you are holding the E-File in your right hand and have your left hand turned towards you, put the rotation in forward. Use your pinky as an anchor point to give you more stability and control. Taking care to apply minimal pressure, move in light, even strokes from the cuticle to the tip of the nail. We recommend beginners start at speed level 1, working up to level 6 when you are more confident. Make sure you are continuously moving the E-File so it is never left in one place. Turn your hand to reach the remaining gel polish. Carefully move the drill bit around the edges of your nail, turning your hand when needed. Your drill bit should always be rotating in the opposite direction to how you are moving down the nail to create traction. The shape of the drill bit allows you to safely get close to the cuticle and side walls. Using the fine side of the Gelous nail file, file off any remaining gel nail polish around the free edge. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.